Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades, and please, if today be the first time you are visiting the channel, then you kindly subscribe, you like, then you share. And today's episode we are going to learn how we can overlay a text on a background. Okay, good. So first of all, I have to bring in my background. So you go to file, then you go to open. Okay, then glance through. I think I have my background here. This is my background. Okay, good. Now let me give it a bit of brightness. Let me brighten it a bit. So you come to image, come to adjustment, come to brightness and contrast. Okay, then I'll brighten it a bit. Okay, and I'll give it a contrast also. Good. Now let me check the resolution of the image. Okay, so you come to image size. Yeah, it's good, but the resolution is down, so I will give it 300. Okay, try to be big. Okay, good. Yeah, so now, okay, so let me put on my text. Let's see. All right, let's see, display. Okay, display. Yeah, I can increase it, so I have to select. Can increase it. For better still, I can hold here. Okay, I can hold here and put my hand on a shift, then I'll stretch it. Okay, like this. Okay. Now, so I'm coming to make overlay of this text on the background. Okay, so first of all, the text is selected. Okay, when you come to the layer tab, the text is selected, so I have to put this one off. Okay, when you come to fill, then you put this one off. Okay, I'll put it off. You see it has disappeared. Yeah, it has disappeared, but it is there, but you cannot see it. Since the fill, I've removed all the fill. Okay, so it is here, but you cannot see it. Okay, good. Now you have to come down here. Okay, come down here, click on this one, come to blending options. Okay, good. When you come to blending options, then you come to drop shadow. So click on it. Have you seen that it has started coming? Yeah, good. As for the angle, it depends on you where you want it to be, so you can just control it. And I have to put this one at the normal. Okay, put this one at the normal, then make the opacity to be 100%. Okay, you shouldn't reduce it, it should be 100%. Blending mode, then the opacity should be 100%. Okay, so if you put it off, it will still disappear, so I have to put it on. Okay, 100%. Good. Now you can increase the size of the shadow. Okay, you can increase the size, depends on you. You can I mean, give it a distance of the you can give the shadow a distance. Okay, it also has a speed. Okay, yeah, but I think this one is okay, so I'll just increase it like this. Okay, then you can give it a contour also. Okay, how you want the shadow to be. Okay, the shadow contour. Yeah, good. Yeah, it depends on you how you want it. Okay, good. But I want it this one. Okay, good. So now look at something here. Wherever you place the text, to pick the color from that place. Okay, yeah, wherever you place the text, you see, yeah, wherever you place it, to pick about that color and that place. Okay, yeah, So that is that. So let's display the full screen and let's see how it will be. Okay, good. Yeah, that is that. Very nice one. Okay, very nice one. Okay, thank you for your time. Today ends today's tutorial, and please, if you have any comment, to kindly drop it under the comment section. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.